Hi everyone, welcome to Kairos Moments. My name is Bel Miranda. So God is so good. Grabe, napakabuti po ng ating Panginoon. So right now, before okay na sa akin na dalhin ng Panginoon when I was young, okay na po na dalhin kami ng Panginoon sa mga sapa. Masayang-masaya na po kami na naglalabas sa sapa. Okay na po kami doon sa ilog. But God is so good that one day the Lord will bring us here, and the Lord brought us here in Sapa, Vietnam. Hindi lang pala sa Sapa noon na maglalaba kami. Hindi lang pala sa Sapa na doon kami maglalaro, kundi one day, dadaling ka pala ng Panginoon dahil maganda ang plano ng Panginoon sa bawat isa sa atin, sa mga lugar na hindi mo aakalain na mararating mo. So, God is so good. So, right now, we're here in Fansipan, the highest peak in Indochina. So, please join me in this video. So, ayan, pag-aakyat ko dito, so, sasakay ng train at the same time. We availed cable car, but this is only one way para sa highest peak. Of course, we need to avail again para pababa. Kasi it's like maraming stages, and pagpakyat po dito sa stairs, may nakalagay doon, caution, strong wind, and the wind is so strong. It's like you are in the midst of clouds. So, yan. So look at this one. So cold, and talagang nasa pinakamataas talaga tayo ngayon na lugar. So alam niyo po, napakabuti ng Panginoon na may mga bagay na feeling mo ng mga panahon na nahihirapan na, even in my life, na parang, Lord, I will not dream na pumunta na sa ibang bansa o mag-travel because Lord, okay na po sa ganito lang na lugar, because financially kulangan pamasahe, kulang pa nga sa pagkain, why travel? Pero ang ganda pala ng plano ng Panginoon that if we will not give up, so you hear that strong wind. If we, oh my, the wind is so strong. If we will not give up, we will see the great plan of God to each and every one of us. Now, I'd like to share it's like my eyes, praise God. I'd like to share in Psalm 91, verse 16, with long life I will satisfy you and I will show you my salvation. So the Lord is so good na iniisip natin na baka ito na lang, what will happen in my life? Na baka dito na lang, hindi na ako mangangarap. Pero kapag nangarap pala tayo nakasama ang Panginoon, kapag inunan natin lagi ang Panginoon and we continue to trust God, napakalaki pala ng plano ng Panginoon. So you see, hindi lang pala sa sapa kami, sa ilog kami dadalhin ng Panginoon, kundi my child, one day you will travel na hindi mo inuutang ang pang-travel, but you will enjoy and you will see the deliverance of God and you will taste the goodness of God. I just remember last night we were walking and sa proper nitong Sapa, and may konting ulan, and the Lord reminded me of one thing while I was working somewhere in Makati. Anong time na yun, kasi sobrang nagtitipid po ako, even because I was just receiving 12,000 na salary and nagpapadala kinsenas katapusan. And I remember po na nung isang beses ay papasok ako sa work, and late sa amin in-announce na wala nang pasok, pero pumasok pa rin po ako, and the rain was so heavy, and talagang grabe din ang wind, at pagpasok ko po sa work ay talagang basang-basa na po ako, and to the point na halos ang pera ko na lang po pauwi ay pamasahin na lang po. Tapos umuwi rin ako, basang-basa po ako ng ulan, and to the point na sobrang tipid ko po sa pera. But look what the Lord did. Napakabuti ng Panginoon na, anak, minsan mababasa ka sa ulan, it's okay, you will walk, anak, even under the rain, pero nai-enjoy mo, anak, na hindi na yung point na parang kawawa because we worship a living God. We praise the name above every other name, the faithful God. So you see, so sa lahat po, to those who are watching this right now, if you are dreaming, I'd like to encourage each and everyone, sometimes life is not good, but continue to trust God and continue to dream. Despite ng difficult moment natin sa buhay, it's okay. Because one day, we will see the deliverance of God. At kapag nangarap tayo na kasama ang Panginoon, makikita natin, life is so beautiful. And at the end of the day, masasabi natin na, Lord, buti na lang, Lord, hindi kami nag-give up ng mga panahong nahihirapan kami. Kasi napakaganda pala, Panginoon, ang plano mo sa buhay namin. Jeremiah 29:11, For I know the plans I have for you, to prosper you and not to harm you, to give you hope and a future. So you see, so napakabuti ng ating Diyos. And this afternoon, we're leaving for Hanoi na dahil bukas ng madaling araw ang flight namin. Pero dadaan pa rin kami ng Hong Kong for I think how many, one day ata. Then pagkatapos balik na kami ng Pilipinas. So from Sapa, Vietnam, Phan Xiphan, the highest peak in Indochina, thank you, and to God be all the glory. God bless. Thank you, everyone. God is so good. God is so good.